In this video, I will show you how to dropship from Temu to Shopify. So I'll show you how you can import products within just one click, how you can do the order fulfillment automatically, and basically how you can do everything when you want to start dropshipping on Shopify with Temu products. So first of all, you will need to have a Shopify store. If you don't have an account yet, then you can sign up through the link in the description and claim this deal where you get a 3-day free trial and then 3 months of Shopify for €1, dollar, pound, whatever currency you use per month. So if you want to claim this really cheap deal, then go to sign up through the link down in the description. Now, after you create your Shopify store, you want to head over into the apps section right here and then click all recommended apps. Then here go to the Shopify App Store and just go to search for Zopi. So then click Zopi right here. Now it mainly does AliExpress dropshipping, but it also works with Temu. As you can see right here, product discovery, easily find top products from one of them is Temu. So then it will also help you with order fulfillment, order tracking, and all of that stuff. So if you want to use it as well, just click install and confirm by clicking on install again. So then you will see Zopi right here. Now you can see they have these paid plans, but down here they also have a free plan. Now in the free plan, you can import 10 products and you can fulfill 5 orders per month. So that's perfect for getting started, but eventually you will most likely want to upgrade. For example, if you want order tracking, then that is only available for 10 shipments per month in the starter plan, while you can already process 50 orders. So if you want more, for example 150, then it will be the advanced plan, but I recommend just choosing the free plan to get started. So you can also start a free trial on one of their paid plans, or just click on continue as free. So then we'll say, welcome to Zopi. Let's begin by adding premium products. So what I'll do is in the top right, click maybe later, since I want to import my own products. So then from here, you can see find and add product. Just click on find products right there. And then here you can enter a link. So now just head over to Temu and just find a product you want to sell. For example, if I want to sell this kit right here, then what I can do is just take the product link, then go to Zopi and paste it in right there. Now, by the way, what I would recommend doing is on Temu, make sure that you are set to the country where you actually want to sell in with your Shopify store so that you can get the fastest shipping and you can be sure that all the products you want to sell are actually available. So let's say I want to sell this product right here. Then you can just take the product link. Now, in certain cases, it won't find the Temu product from your link. If that is the case for you as well, then what I recommend you to do is to, first of all, you need to use Chrome for this, but just search for Chrome Web Store and open it up. And then here search for Zopi, and then just install the Zopi extension, because then you can actually use this. So just click on add to Chrome right there. Now I already have it, so therefore for me it says remove. Now then go back to Temu and then it will say add to import list. So if it doesn't say that right now, then just pin the Zopi extension and refresh the page. But now you can see add to import list, and now it should import onto my Zopi import list. So you can see product is imported. Now if I go to Zopi, you will now see the product is right here. So that is the easiest way to do it. Now for this, you will need to be using Google Chrome, but you can also first just try to click on the link, paste it in, and if it finds it that way, then that works as well. Now I'll just import one more product. So for example, this mirror right here. And then again, I'll just click on the Zopi button that says add to import list. So now again, imported successfully. So now you can go back to your Shopify store, and in the product center, if you refresh it, the product should show up right here. So now what you can do is just click on push to store. And now here it says push as unpublished product and continue selling when out of stock. Now I'm just going to turn this one off and this one on so that I can still edit the pricing, the title and stuff like that. So then click push to store, and I'll do the same thing with the other one. And click push to store. So now you can go to your product section and then you can see the product right here. So then you can click on it And now you can just change any details you want. So you can change the title, you can change which images you want to use, and you can also set your price right here. So to find the price on Temu, just go to the product and then you can see it right there. And then once you have updated all of that, then you can make sure that it says active right here. And you can preview it by clicking more actions and then preview. So now you can actually see it on the store. Now I don't have a very good theme yet, so therefore it doesn't look very good, but it has imported the Temu product now. But the most important part is when I now get an order on this product, it's going to show up in my Zopi. So if you want to find it, just go to apps and click Zopi. But right here, you will then see in your order section, so the order center that is, it should say more than 0, and you can then see all the orders, and it's either in the ready to order section or in the needs attention. So then in the top right, you can also set your order settings, so where you want to ship to and stuff like that. But basically once it shows up here, you can then very easily order it. You just need to pay for the actual order, and then it's going to be shipped directly to your customer. Now, if you have a more premium plan on Zopi, then you can also get auto ordering. So in the free plan, they will process 5 orders per month, but in the more advanced plans, it can even go to unlimited. So now you know how you can dropship from Temu to Shopify. Now again, if you want to get started with Shopify for free for 3 days and then get 3 months of Shopify for $1, pound or euro per month, then you can sign up through the link down in the description. If this Temu plus Shopify dropshipping tutorial was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.